what is end-to-end encryption in Messenger? So if you want to know what is end-to-end encryption in Messenger, then first you can open up your Messenger. Now, end-to-end encryption in Messenger is a security feature that adds an extra security or extra layer of protection to your messages and calls. When end-to-end encryption is enabled, your messages are encrypted on your device before being sent and can only be decrypted by the receiver device. This means that even if someone were to interrupt your message, they will not be able to read them. This is especially important for sensitive conversations or information you wouldn't want others to access. With end-to-end encryption, even Facebook itself cannot view and read your messages, and Facebook offering an extra layer of privacy compared to standard Messenger chats. Knowing your messages are protected with end-to-end encryption is enabled. You can go with your chat, any chat that you're comfortable with, and then go with the name of that person. And here, if you scroll down, then you will have end-to-end encryption. You will have verify end-to-end encryption. Right. It can provide a peace of mind and enhance your overall trust in the messaging platform. When you send a message with end-to-end encryption enabled, the message is encrypted on your device using a unique encryption. This key is then sent to the receiver's device along with the encrypted message, and only the receiver can view the message and read its content. Enabling end-to-end encryption in Messenger significantly enhances the privacy and security of your messages and calls. You gain peace of mind knowing only you and the intended recipient can access the content of your conversation. So that's what end-to-end encryption is on Messenger, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.